You can't always predict when a hazardous condition will threaten to bring your loading operation to a halt. Unstable surfaces, hazardous materials, edge operation, and more all present safety challenges to your operators. The key is being prepared to deal with these challenges when they arise. What if there was a way your operators could continue working, allowing you to use a loader where a loader is needed, in spite of the safety risks? With CAT Command for Loading, there is. Using a remote operator console, Command for Loading gives operators line-of-sight control of their wheel loaders from up to 400 meters away. The console's ergonomic controls give operators access to all of the loader's functions, as well as notifications of critical machine health parameters, so your operators can maintain full productivity from a distance. The system also allows access to valuable material that may be considered unsafe to extract, such as reclamation of benches at the end of life. Take command of your safety. Take command of your productivity. Take command of your loading with CAT Command.